Hey friends, welcome to Knack Graphics, and in this video we are going to draw this design. Here you can see some shadowed circles placed on this dark gradient background. Okay, so let's start with creating a new document. I'm going for this web document for now. Here I get the document and now we are ready to go. Before we start, make sure that the Smartguides option is on. Okay, firstly just pick the rectangle tool and draw an artboard sized rectangle starting from this point to here at this point. Alright, now keeping the stroke size to 0, give this rectangle a nice gradient. Here I go to gradient panel and I'm going for the reds. You may go with your choice of colors. Now the rectangle is ready, so we will lock this layer and name it BG. BG for background. Now create a new layer and name it design. Now in this design layer, select the ellipse tool and draw a circle measuring 70 points for both width and the height. Keep stroke to 0 and give it a black fill. Now select this circle and double click this black arrow tool to open the move dialog box. Now in this tab, enter 105 points and press copy to move it towards right so that it lands at a distance of 35 points from its left copy. The new copy is selected and now press Ctrl D to repeat this move. Repeat this action to create total 6 horizontal copies. Now we have to repeat same exercise vertically. Select all horizontal copies, go to the move dialog box once again and this time enter 105 points in this vertical movement tab and create a copy. Repeat the move by pressing Ctrl D and make 6 vertical copies of this group. Now select all 36 copies and make a group of all these selected shapes. Align this group to the center of the artboard. For this, go to Align panel. Make sure that Align to Artboard option is selected. Now go for Horizontal Align Center and Vertical Align Center. Okay, now copy this group and press Ctrl B to paste a copy of it in back. Now keeping this copy in back selected, go to the Transform panel. Press this Constraint button. Make sure that this corner reference point is selected and now reduce its size by 20%. Now select this circle and place its center exactly at the center of the copy in front. Here you can see that Smartguides option is helping me in snapping the centers of the circles. Now select both of these groups and press Ctrl Alt B to make a blend. Now go to the blend options here and select specified steps and make it 100 steps. Now go to the layers panel. Here in the blend group, select the group containing these small circles and go to the opacity option and set it to 0. So the design is ready now. Hit like and share if you like this tutorial. Thanks for watching Knack Graphics. See you in the next tutorial.